Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the Coach Parker bag. I've got this beautiful new one that is in a larger size, and I also have the mini one that I've had for a little while, so I'll be taking a look at both of these with you today, showing you the insides, the features that I like, and letting you know how much each bag can hold. Monica, welcome to my channel. I do primarily fashion videos and fashion content. I'm going to be doing a lot of styling videos and how to dress better, how to style different looks for this year. So if that's what you're into and you're looking for some inspiration, then definitely consider subscribing. So I recently got this gorgeous Coach Parker bag as a gift, and I really love it. I absolutely adore the colors. So it's got some color blocking going on here. It's beige in the back with this kind of cream color in the front, and then here it's sort of it's actually a black in the front here, and on the side is what they call ox blood, which is a very dark burgundy color. I did get this mammogrammed, so the Coach does this for free, and it just has my initials on here with a little heart sign, which is really cute. So the hardware on this is gold, and what I really appreciate about this, because this bag has so many details that I really do appreciate, is that it's looped through with black leather going through. So it's this gorgeous gold, kind of like this darker gold, and then black leather woven through. So I think that's a really cool look. This bag also has this beautiful scalloped detail going across the front. And then it's got these black beads on the outside perimeter with these gold and silver ones on the inside. So I think it's really, it's both funky and feminine at the same time. Like, I think that's why I really like this bag. It's both edgy and feminine. I think they've done a really good job with how they've made this bag. On the bottom, there's two different leathers, and it's just very seamless, and that looks really good as well. There is a back pocket, which I really appreciate because a lot of Coach bags actually have this, and this is just really great when you want to stick your phone in. It's not a huge, it's not huge, but it does fit your phone like that, so makes for easy access, which is awesome. To open it, it's just a twist lock. So it's this beautiful, again, this kind of ox blood or dark burgundy felt, or faux suede, or maybe real suede, I'm not quite sure, on the inside, with the other side of the black beads coming through on this side as well. So this is the inside here. We've got essentially 3 different compartments. So we have, 2 wide ones here, and then the zippered one where you would put your valuables, like your wallet, for example. And there is a back pocket here as well if you want to put some credit cards or, whatever else in here. This bag is so versatile because not only does it transition well from day to night, but you can either wear it as a crossbody bag like this, or just have it over one shoulder with this strap, or you can just wear it like this over your shoulder. So, that's super handy. So what I really appreciate about this bag is actually the size of it. It's probably my smallest day-to-day handbag, although the ones I normally use from Coach aren't that much bigger. They're a little bit bigger, but they're not that much bigger. What I really appreciate about the size is that it can easily transition from day to night. So if you are going from work straight to an event or a dinner, it's not going to, you're not going to be dragging a big bulky shoulder bag or tote bag around. So you can definitely get away with wearing this for the evening time, or if you're going to like a music festival or something like that, where you want to definitely be carrying enough things with you, but you don't want something super bulky. This would work really well as well. So I think it's super versatile. Because it is, on the smaller size for an everyday handbag, it does really force you to scale down what you are putting inside. So I've had to do that. I've had to take a look at some of the things I was lugging around and realizing that I was carrying, quite a number of items that actually you know, they end up being quite weighty, like different sort of larger size lotions and things like that, that I really don't need to be carrying around on a day-to-day basis. Those things I could just, you know, leave them at work and that would suit me just fine. So I've gotten rid of that stuff and it's made for a much more comfortable handbag holding experience. You're not carrying that weight around with you. It's a lot more streamlined, so I do like that smaller bag, kind of force you to really evaluate what you are bringing with you. Now we're going to start transitioning my everyday items that I carry with me from this bag into this one. This is my everyday handbag at the moment. It's the Coach Brooklyn bag. So let's do this. So first we're going to start off with this. This is the bulkiest item that I have. This is a Coach little clutch or whatever you call them, and this has, you know, some lotions, some lipsticks. It has a little foldable toothbrush in here. I carry a number of lip glosses, but there's not, I don't know why I carry so many lipstick things. I mean, I don't need that one. But yeah, there's not too much stuff in here, but something like this is really nice to have. It's a really good size and it's not too bulky, so you can't stuff it too much. So that is going to go onto the back of this bag, and that fits very nicely. Next, I have my wallet. So I've actually transitioned from a foldable wallet, which is what I had before, which was, you know, quite small to begin with. It was the trifold Coach wallet, into this sort of, I don't know what you call this, like card holder type thing. And it's great because it takes up a lot less room. It still holds all the cards that I need, and it fits in perfectly in a more compact bag like this. Also, when I'm going out in the evening, I can easily just pop this into, you know, a smaller purse like this one, and I don't have to worry too much about switching out cards, although sometimes, you know, I don't bring all these cards out with me. So the perfect little size wallet, I definitely recommend it. This is gonna go into the middle compartment. Other kind of bulky thing that I have is this smaller clutch, or I don't know what you call these things here that Coach makes. I got these at their discount store online, which by the way has really great deals. I definitely suggest that you check that out because I got this for, you know, a very heavily discounted price. I have this because I have a number of keys. I have my home keys, I have my work keys, and then I normally have my car keys sometimes in here as well. And I just kind of like a place to have all my keys together. That way they don't get lost and they stay nicely organized. I also use this little pouch because it does have some places to put some cards in, but I actually use it for all my hair stuff. So I have like way too many hair clips or whatever you call them in here. And I usually have a couple of these bobbly things as well. I mean, it's just nice to have, right? So this is pretty bulky. You definitely don't need all this for your keys, but I am going to just pop this in the front side. Other things that I carry with me are my earphone case. So that's gonna go in the front. I do have chapsticks. These go in the back of the purse. And then my last item is my phone. There we go. So my phone's in here, my earphones are in here. Pretty compact. So that's the larger size Coach Parker bag, stuffed to the max and still looking fine. Now we're going to take a look at the mini version of this. This has a gorgeous color blocking as well, but it's in this, you know, more lavender purple and then a dark burgundy, and again, this gorgeous ox blood. This one, instead of having gold hardware, it has silver hardware. And just like the last one, it is lined through with a beige leather strap, which I think is a really, really beautiful detail. And this is definitely an evening bag. It's a lot smaller. It also has this front pocket, back pocket, and then one large compartment on the inside. So this is, you know, will fit your cell phone, it will fit your wallet, and a few different, a couple of different items. So I will pop open a few things in here so you can see what it fits. I don't think it's the largest. It's not the plus size, but it's still pretty freaking big, so I'm gonna pop that in. I never go anywhere without my 2 chapsticks. One is from Pacifica and it's a tinted chapstick, and the other one's just a plain coconut all natural one. So I always carry these 2 guys with me. I'm gonna pop those in there. And then here I would just pretty much take out my home keys, pop those in there, my wallet, nice and compact, pop that in there. And then the other things I would add are just like a lipstick or whatever I need going out. And I usually do carry like a little bottle of lotion because I have quite dry hands, and it fits all of that stuff in here. So this bag has one long strap that you can wear on the shoulder or crossbody. Unlike the larger Parker bag, you can't just shorten the strap to wear over your shoulder. So it just has this one long strap here. But this is a really cute bag. I get lots of wear out of this one actually, because I do have a lot of pink items, or even if I'm wearing like an all white or kind of beige, more neutral color, then this is really cute to add a pop of, you know, purpley, lavender-ish color to the outfit. So I do really like this one, and I would definitely consider getting it in other sizes because I use it quite a bit and it fits a good amount of stuff in here. In terms of cost, this is $500 Canadian regularly, but they do have pretty good sales on, you know, for the Boxing Day sales, January sales, and if you look on Black Friday, for example, I think this bag now is 50% off plus an additional 20%, so that's really good. And I got this last year on a sale as well, so you can definitely, you know, find them on sale in different colors, because this is a style that I believe is they're not going to be making again. Those are the styles that usually, you know, with this kind of color combination, those are the styles that are going to go on sale. And because this is more of like a fall winter type color scheme, you know, they're looking to kind of ditch that stock so they can bring in the more pinkish, beigey spring summer look. So now's a good time to invest in this kind of stuff. So that's my review and look inside of the Coach Parker bag in 2 different sizes. I hope you guys like it. If you found this video useful, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you like this video, then you'll probably like the Aritzia haul that I did recently, which is listing my top 10 items that you should invest in at Aritzia, or at least the top 10 items that I've gotten the most wear out of over many years. My top 10 is just linked over here, so definitely check that out next. Thanks, we'll see you next time.